Hey there, everybody. Gordon Birkin here. Topic of the day is, who is the best public adjuster for my property insurance claim? The better question might be, do I actually even need a public adjuster? For the sake of this discussion, let's assume that we've had a water loss, water damage that will cost $100,000 to make us whole again. Here's the 5 scenarios. We know it's going to cost $100,000 to fix our problem and make us whole again. The one that we're all worried about is the first column. The insurance company pays too little. So let's take a look at that. We've got one low offer of $75,000, and then the other 4 scenarios we end up being made whole again. Next, let's add fees. With a public adjuster, the average fee is about 15%. We see 10%, 20%, but in this case it's 15%, which would cost us $15,000 in fees if we hire the public adjuster right away. If we wait until after our insurance company makes us a settlement offer, we would pay the difference between the $75,000 and the $100,000, which would mean a fee of $3,750. Pretty good savings. Next, let's add a deductible of, say, $1,000. So now, after all the fees and deductibles, let's see how much money we're left with to make sure that we are made whole again, that we can do our repairs. I think at the end of the day, we just don't want to be that guy in column number 1 who's got $26,000 out-of-pocket expense to fix a $100,000 problem to make them whole again. We can consider hiring a public adjuster. I think there are better options for you. You certainly don't want to hire one right away. I believe hiring an insurance restoration contractor who makes their living off of putting people back together again is, in my estimation, the best option. Don't get me wrong, public adjusters are an excellent tool in the right situation. But in most cases, we find the insurance companies truly want to do the right thing. They want to make you whole. Restoration contractors, they're accustomed to this. You're going to find supplemental damage during the demolition process. There might be code upgrades that have to be dealt with. Restoration contractors are accustomed to this. They estimate in a system called Xactimate, which is what most insurance companies use as well. It helps them to communicate and get your claim settled. General contractors sometimes struggle with this when they're not specialized in the restoration. Again, thanks so much for watching this video. If you ever feel the need to ask a question, you can call us directly at the numbers on the screen, or send us an email to bcfl@pdr-usa.net. Have a great one.